Alright, gang, I'm super excited to tell you about a new piece of hardware that departments like mechanical, electrical, aerospace, E+, and even physics are incorporating into our curriculum. It's called the Analog Discovery 2. Now, let's talk a little bit about what this piece of hardware does, and also why are we incorporating it into our curriculum. What's inside of this little package? Okay, so there's some basic functionality. There's an oscilloscope, 2 channels. There's a function generator, another 2 channels. There's a voltmeter. There's a power supply, and there's even a data logger. Now, there are also some more advanced analysis tools like a spectrum analyzer and also a network analyzer. Both of those I use. Now, more towards the digital side, I would argue more electrical engineers will use these functions. But you may be interested in them also. Are basic digital I/O and also a logic analyzer and a digital pattern generator. And finally, I think what makes this thing even more versatile is that it's programmable, although this is an advanced skill to figure out how to program it and make your own functionality. I haven't done it myself yet, but I'm excited about doing it, maybe even designing some control algorithms into this. Okay, so really awesome, all in this palm-sized device. You can take this, toss it in your backpack, put it in your pocket, and take it anywhere you want. So I'm really excited about the possibilities. Let me just say a few final words before I end this video about why we're incorporating this device into our curriculum. And the answer is because in this situation, we want to reduce the uncertainty. We don't know if we're going to get sent home or even if we can come in to campus, depending on your situation. It's a time that we want to be proactive versus reactive and be prepared. Now, we want to make sure that we're not giving our students a subpar education, just a different mode of education. And finally, there is an unseen benefit here where we've been pushed due to the situation to innovate. And this device I'm very excited about. And I see this device or a similar device being an important thing in the future, even when we come back, even when campus opens up fully and we've moved on from this situation. I hope that in the future our students will have a device like this in their backpack and they can do a project from anywhere. All right? So look for my next videos on unboxing and looking at this in more detail. All right. See you next time.